I don't think I was heard. I don't think they understood exactly what I was trying to say, so I'm gonna be a little more specific. Yours truly, the treasure troll himself, the Frank Sinatra of the Spanish Mafia, Gino Rivera, is coming to Sioux Falls, South Dakota, to New Sound Wrestling. And I have got my eye on a certain golden one, a certain golden boy, a certain golden opportunity, and I'm talking to you, Uriah. I have been sent for you. I am coming for you. I am going to break you. I am calling you out. And should you not accept this match, I am going to hurt everyone that you love. Uriah, I'm going to make a statement at New Sound Wrestling, and you are going to be the first victim. You are going to be the first to let everybody know about the Puerto Rican pitbull, Gino Rivera. Why? Because I told you so.